Okay, so this comes out of 11H of the miscellaneous exercises, but I've asked to find this definite integral. So I've got terminals, so my answer is going to be a number, but I've been told to differentiate this expression first. So I think that we're going to have integration by recognition, because I've been told to take the derivative of this and then hence use that answer to evaluate this answer. Okay, so let's do d dx of x sine of x first. So that's a product rule. U equals x, u dash equals 1, v equals the sine of x, and v dash equals the cos of x. And putting them together, I'm going to do some cross multiplication. U times v dash, so x cos of x plus v u dash is sine of x. Now I'm going to anti-differentiate both sides with respect to x. So I'm going to the antiderivative with respect to x and the antiderivative with respect to x. And that's going to give me the antiderivative of the derivative of x sine of x is equal to x sine of x. That's going to equal the antiderivative of x cos of x dx plus the antiderivative of sine of x dx. Now, the game of integration by recognition, I can see that there. There it is, x cos of x dx, integral. So I know that the integral of the sine of x is equal to negative cos of x. So I'm going to move this to the other side and get x sine of x plus cos of x is equal to the integral of x cos of x dx. So just swapping the sides, the integral of x cos of x dx from 0 to pi on 4 will equal square brackets because it's a definite integral, and this is what the integral equals, x sine of x plus cos of x from 0 to pi on 4. And to evaluate the definite integral, you put in the upper terminal first, so pi on 4 times the sine of pi on 4 plus the cos of pi on 4, and then I put in the bottom one, 0 times the sine of 0, and I subtract them, the cos of 0. Okay, the sine of pi on 4 is root 2 on 2. So I've got pi on 4 times root 2 on 2 plus root 2 on 2 minus nothing minus 1, because the cos of 0 is 1. So it's going to equal pi root 2 on 8 plus root 2 on 2 minus 1 is going to be the solution to the